Foxhole Armor, bro. They got the best. When I tell you the best, side plates, everything. It come with a front plate, side plate. It come with the cushion, come in front of the plates. Man, everything, bro.
Look at that, guys.
That was Black Rambo.
Yeah,
Talking about our stuff.
Yeah, that's the Foxhole Armor. Ito ulit guys yung napakagandang body armor. Kung naghahanap ka ng ganito is you can choose this Foxhole Armor. Yeah. Ito yung mga panindan niya. This one. Kung makikita mo dito sa review is napakagandang body armor ito guys. Oh yeah, look at that. And the good thing is meron na siyang version for kids. Yeah. Ito for children. Maliit lang ito. And the plate is where's the plate? Pakita nyo guys itong plate ng pang kids. Ayan. Is maliit lang pero at least dito is sabi ko nga protected ka kahit yung mga maliliit na bata kung nasa in danger is at least hindi ka masyado nag-aalala. Nai-content ko na rin itong body armor na to guys dati, pero eto I just want to share again. Look at that.
For children it's expandable, so it'll work for the kids. We call it our reloader kit because if you ever have to shoot at anybody, they get to reload for you.
Okay. So it's really small. It's really for kids.
If you want to buy this product, just check the link below. Ayan guys, ito yung Foxhole Armor. Maraming salamat ulit guys. Sana wag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakipindot mo na rin yung notification bell.